Did you get your free language gifts of the month yet? If not, be sure to act fast because they expire on June 25th. First, the Having a Party PDF cheat sheet. With this cheat sheet, you'll learn words and phrases like "Would you like a drink?" "guest," "dessert," and more. Second, must-know phrases for rejecting invitations. This 1-minute lesson will teach you phrases like "Sorry, I already have plans," "I'm tired," and more. Third, Summer Plans Conversation Lesson. Go travel, relax at the beach, stay at home, and sit on the internet. You'll learn how to say these and other summer plans in your target language. Fourth, must-know Father's Day vocabulary. Can you say Father's Day in your target language? You'll be able to with this quick 1-minute vocabulary lesson. Fifth, the Summer Season Writing Workbook. With this printable PDF, you'll learn all the must-know summer words and phrases. And you'll be able to practice writing the phrases out as well. Download it for free right now. And sixth, tired of apps that just teach you random words? With our innovative language learning app, you learn through conversations and start speaking in minutes because our conversation lessons are just 3 to 15 minutes long. Learning is that easy. Download it for free for the Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your gifts and language learning resources, click the link in the description below. Download them right now before they expire.